So let's say if you have a design, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in a shape right here, just like this, to add in a design right here, just like this. Let's say for example, and let's say I want a video somewhere over here, but I'm not sure what the video is going to be. In that case, you can actually utilize something called video placeholders so that you can replace it out with videos later on as you go on working with your project. So to do that, you can go around onto insert, and here you can see that video placeholder is an option. And there's different placeholder styles that you can choose from. So you can go for a circle style, as you can see right here, and this is what you have. You can simply go ahead and keep it right here. And let's say I'm going to go around over here just like this. Click and drag this, and this is what you have. Let me hold Control and click and drag it to create a copy right here, just like this as well. And you can see that these are the video placeholders right here. So now you can record your own video if you want to, or you can select a video by uploading it. And you can also go ahead and generate it out and so forth, or even go to stock and web right here, just like this. Choose the video that you want, and the video will be replaced right here, just like this. You can also go around over here, upload out your own video if you wish as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select out let's say for example this one right here, and there you go, there's that video. And for this one, let's just go ahead and click and drag this video out right here, and there you go. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize video placeholders as necessary inside of Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.